Welcome to Culture Thing. The Jeu de Paume presents a remarkable retrospective of Martin Parr's work that arrives with poignant timing as it opened just weeks after the renowned British photographer's death on December 6, 2025. Global Warning offers both a comprehensive survey of 5 decades of visual commentary and a final collaboration between the artist and the institution. This exhibition marks one of the last projects Parr participated in before his passing, lending it an unexpectedly testamental quality. Bringing together nearly 180 works spanning more than 50 years of production, from his early black and white works to more recent pieces, the exhibition proposes a fresh reading of Parr's career through the lens of our era's generalized disorder. While his work has been often perceived as playful or entertaining, this retrospective reveals the critical depth that has always underpinned his seemingly lighthearted approach. As Parr himself observed in 2009, I now see that almost all the images I have taken and produced recently are indirectly linked to climate change. The exhibition is organized in 5 thematic sections, each exploring different aspects of the contradictions and absurdities of contemporary life. Throughout his career, without adopting an overtly militant stance, but with remarkable consistency, Parr documented the planet's imbalances and the excesses of modern lifestyles across all corners of the globe. Technological addiction shows how each new decade seems to spark his interest in a new object aligned with technological evolution. In the 70s and 80s, the car; in the 90s and 2000s, the mobile phone; more recently, computer screens, smartphones, and gaming devices. Even when dealing with technology, Parr remains a humanist, an attentive observer of gestures along technology's growing place in our daily lives and imagination, and the dependence these devices can generate. The exhibition, curated by Quentin Bajac with Martin Parr's collaboration and Clémentine de la Ferronnière, leans on Parr's use of humor in service of reflection to subvert and highlight the absurd or false. As Parr himself stated in 2021, I create entertainment that contains a serious message if one wants to read it, but I'm not trying to convince anyone. I simply show what people already think they know. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, as it helps more people find our channel. Thank you for watching.